very good morning to everyone present here today. On this fine morning, I am blessed to be at this exquisite, luxurious 5-star Mandarin Oriental hotel. My name is Livvashini Visnutharan, and I am from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Raja Perempuan Ipoh, Perak. Today, I will be presenting to you a poem that was written by me, entitled Crumbling into Pieces. Innovations and new inventions, new products and new structures filled the land with cosmical constructions, all led to skin-tearing substances. Full of organisms and creatures, great and small at any region. One-of-a-kind crafted creation, collapsing inches by inches. This earth, this world, this land of hope, crumbling to pieces, killing souls. Trees being cut down, forests burnt, clearing of land that led to floods. Is it morning mist? But we suffocate. Your muscles enfeeble, deteriorate. Hazy soot in your system, your lungs damaged, weakened. Looking around, digging through sand. No sign, no clue, no creatures on land. The loss of century, everything they owned, already in grief, yet merciless hunters relentlessly poach. An atrocious activity we cannot cope. No more marks on sandy beaches, no warbling in greenwood, no more roaring in woodland. They have gone extinct, irreplaceable. Given a diamond, yet treated like stone. Worth more than life, cared for like it was nothing. Where was the bigger picture? Where was the intelligence? What happened to all the promises made in front of millions? Where were the promises made to our Creator? Our abode, our home, land of greenery, land of growth. Turning dull, ruined, all for a nature-killing product, pathetic behavior being held up high. Is this how we take care of a prize? Melting, burning, tumbling down, crashing, exploding, but not a sound. The silence being too loud for those who cared. Can we begin today? Can we start now to rebuild, recline, rewind, to mend all mistakes made through time? Let me be the hope. Let us be the light. For powerless is a word I never want to say. For omnipotent, a word I'll bring to my grave. We have the competence. We have the potential. Though we are adolescent, we never back down from challenges. We will bring change. We will empower. This is our promise for all coming generations. I end this poem with my vow to never back down from my ground. My words may be immature. My poem might not be plenteous. But this 15-year-old hopes she has opened your cage, nourish your heart, to begin today to play your part. 8,760 hours, 365 days, and we will be able to initiate a change. With that, I thank you.